welcome to another video. Today we are going on a hike adventure over a Haleiwa. The trail is called Ehukai Pillbox hike. So we're gonna do that this morning, and then after that we're gonna go ahead and go beach hopping. So come along for the adventure. Alright guys, so we just parked. We have to park on the street because they won't allow parking in this school. This school is called Sunset Beach, and this is where the trailhead is. It's actually right across from the school. Alright, so the trailhead is right next to this sign right here. This is Paumalu Bunker Trail. And that way. The crew. Pre-hike snack from her while stretching. Oh my gosh, my hamstrings are still tight from the surf session a couple days ago. But yeah, let's do this hike.
That's what happens when you're trying to eat while you hike.
This is becoming a theme, Donna. What are you eating anyway?
I'm eating some noodle snacks.
So Islander.
Yep.
Slow and steady so we don't slip.
We're gonna need a power washer.
Hiking through the jungle. I'm actually really glad it's a shaded hike, but it's so muddy. Muddy and slippery. Oh my goodness. So apparently it rained last night while we were sleeping. So the trail is so muddy and slippery. But
Hiking boots recommended.
But good thing I guess my shoes are washable because they're gonna be a hot mess after this hike. And I'm so glad we're going to the beach afterwards. Slow and steady, slow and steady. Okay, apparently we just heard from some hikers that this is the toughest part in the beginning half of the hike, but once we get to the top it should flatten out. There you go. The more roots the better. That way is no bueno. Okay, there's multiple trails. I guess I'll go this way. Alright, there's this part of the hike. The good thing there's like stairs and stuff. There's also a rope that you can use. Alright, I would say this is probably one of the steepest parts of the hike.
You said that earlier.
It keeps getting steeper and steeper. Hello, hello. How are you guys doing?
No comment.
No comment. Okay, let's keep going up. So on All Trails app, this trail is rated moderate, I believe, but when there's a torrential downpour the night before, the ground is super soaked, so it's super slippery. So it elevates it from moderate to a little bit more challenging. Going up is not too bad, even though it is quite a bit of a workout. I am just like, my thing is going downhill. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna try not to fall. A lot of mosquitoes. I forgot to put bug spray. Whew. All right, when you get to the top, and if there's like a fork in the road, you take a left to get to the pillboxes. Should be another 5 to 10 minutes from this point. Got our initial view of the ocean from here.
Very pretty.
Yeah, nice. Definitely worth it.
Is it?
How long have we been hiking? Do you know?
She said about 30.
Huh?
My hands are so dirty.
Oh.
Can't touch my phone.
How long have we been hiking for?
31 minutes, 51 seconds.
It's been 31 minutes?
Yep.
Okay, cool. So slow and steady.
0.36 miles.
Wow. 0.36 miles and
0.36.
so
So we were crawling.
we were crawling, but they'll be worth it once we get up.
Literally, we were crawling.
30 minutes,
I was on
0.3
both
miles.
hands.
Yeah, a little bit of mud. Not too bad. Not too bad. Okay.
Oh my gosh, look at your legs.
Mosquitoes.
Pineapple.
Lots of
Bites.
mosquitoes. Oh wow. Mosquito bites. So many. Ah.
Elaine 10, Donna 0.
Alright, almost to the top. Look at the views. So pretty. Alright, so I think we're pretty much on top of this mountain ridge or hill, whatever it is, and it does flatten out. Whew. Should be another 5 minutes to the pillbox from here. Yay, we made it to the first pillbox. Woohoo. Let's see. Wow. Beautiful. You can see the swells coming in. Nice, definitely worth the hike. Good vibes only. So apparently we have to go through these rocks to get to the second pillbox.
Because we're, you know what? Here, hold on. So there's the pillbox right there. I don't see where the second pillbox is.
We'll find it.
Pillbox.
First pillbox is over there. So you walk past it and then hang a left. You should see a trail going downhill, and that apparently that's where the second pillbox is. Yeah, found it. Wow. We made it. Oh my gosh, the views are beautiful here. Alright guys, we have been here for the last, let me check my watch,
A really long time. It's really nice here, and
Yeah.
I'm really dreading going back down.
We don't want to leave. The view is just beautiful.
Yes, this view. Can you see it?
Oh yeah, from the reflection. Oh yeah, you actually could.
I was also talking about my face, but
Oh my gosh.
yes, it is great. We don't want to go back down. I mean, she doesn't want to go because the view's great. I don't want to go because it's muddy and I'm gonna fall on my butt.
Oh yes, that's right. We do have quite an adventure waiting for us going back.
I reckon it'll take longer than coming up here.
Shall we bet that one of us is gonna fall? I'm hoping not, because I don't want mud on my clothes.
Pretty sure it's gonna be me. Comment down below. Just kidding.
Comment down
below. Is it A, B, or C?
Who's gonna fall down on their butt?
Who's more likely to?
Slip and fall.
Always choose C. Just kidding.
So we sanitize to have some snacks.
This is love right here.
What are we eating, Tess?
Nubu. Not her boobs.
This girl. It's so delicious, guys. It's this thing here. It tastes like Butterfinger, but healthier.
Don't let a finger on my Butterfinger.
Nubu.
Sponsor me.
Sponsor me, Nubu. It's good, guys. I recommend it. Go to Walmart and get some. And get me some too, thanks. Alright, we are done at the pillbox. Took lots of cool photos and videos. Now we're gonna head back down to the car and head to the beach. Hiking through the jungle. We found this like side trail from the main trail that's less muddy. Hey, we made it!
Yes, now if you chose either A, B, or C, you lost.
Yeah, none of us slipped, which was great. Now we are gonna go get some lunch. We don't know where yet, but we'll figure it out. Lunch and then beach time. We saw that there's a surf competition right across from the street, from the trailhead. And check it out. Alright, we got some fish tacos and shrimp tacos from North Shore Taco Truck. We're right in front of Sharks Cove, so we're gonna go snorkel over there after lunch. Alright, we just finished our lunch and we just had to cross the street to go here to Sharks Cove. So as you can see, it's like a natural formed pool, which is pretty protected from the big waves. So yeah, let's go see if we can find some cool things under the water. It got super muddy from the hike, so I'm gonna go ahead and get it washed. Whoa, nice. Look at that. That is so cool. Natural waterfalls. Okay, we just got done snorkeling. It was actually really nice in there. Saw some like big fish. And yeah, this is a really great place to snorkel. It's protected, and when the water comes over the those rocks, it creates a really nice like waterfall effect. So highly recommend Sharks Cove here in the North Shore. I would also say wear water shoes because the rocks are very sharp and you need to kind of walk on them to get into the pools. And even while you're in the pools, if you're not wearing your fins, I would recommend wearing water shoes. And there's a little bit of a current from when the waves crash over, but nothing too crazy, and it's pretty shallow. You can stand up like waist high. And yeah, so that's that. We're just gonna chill for the rest of the day. And yeah, we'll see. Probably watch the sunset later.